So I was taking a nice stroll and then, oh wait, nope, story time. Imagine you get outside to the wondrous outdoors. It's beautiful, the birds are chirping, your stomach is rumbling, and then suddenly you spot a colorful log in the distance. You notice that this log looks like a log, feels like a log. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Nope, nope, it's just a log. You notice this log is a log, and you say to yourself, I don't know where I was going with this. I've gone insane trying to find a good title for this video. Liking good neighbor, Jake Farmer's there, finger liking good. Well, you know what I'm talking about today. If you did not know, a lichen is a mutual symbiotic relationship between a fungi and a photosynthetic organism, which is typically an algae or a cyanobacteria. Now, there can be many fungi and many photosynthetic organisms involved in a lichen. Let's talk about the fungi. If you have not put it together, fungi can't do photosynthesis or make food, so they rely on other organisms for the food. The fungi protects the lichen from drying out and obtains nutrients from the substrates. Majority of the mass of the thallus belongs to the fungi. Some Ascomycota fungi forms a relationship with green algae alongside other fungi like basidiomycetes and yeast. Now, let's talk about the photosynthetic organisms. The cyanobacterium obtains amino acids from dinitrogen. The name blue-green algae is a nickname for cyanobacterium and it's not an algae. And now for the algae. If you ever watched my shorts, red algae is related to green algae and plants, but they are not related to brown or golden algae, and lichen typically forms relationships with green algae. There is a lichen, Verrucaria tavaraceae, which forms a relationship with Petroderma macuiforme, which is a brown algae. Cool, right? Let's talk about the 4 types of growth forms. In my recent video, the mealy pixie cup lichen is a fruticose lichen. They look like tubes or pegs. The way I think of it is that they are more of a fungi appearance, which is the fruiting body. The green shield lichen is a foliose lichen. They take on the appearance of flat leaves, hence the name sounds similar to foliage. The crustose lichen looks like it's part of the rock, hence the name has the word crust in it. The squamulous lichen doesn't get mentioned as much. They can appear foliose, but they don't have a top layer cortex. I probably have messed up some foliose lichen with squamulous lichen. Now, let's address this. Is lichen a species? Lichen is composed of multiple species of organisms, but is a pioneer species itself. When we talk about lichen, we classify them as members of the fungal kingdom because the fungi is the dominant species in the relationship. It's like classifying human beings as Homo sapiens, even though we have multiple species of microbes existing within us. Lichen or not, I hope this was valuable to you. I'll put some more information in the description. Otherwise, have a terrible day.